guys, Andy here. I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I am bringing you another intro. This is the Eyeshadow Roulette. So if you want to hear all about that, see what we're going to roll in, and swatch all of these beautiful single shadows, then let's get right on into it. So this was created by Donna at My New Obsession, Leanna Dalton, and Andy at Andy Does Stuff. I will have them all listed down below. And it's where you randomize 10 single shadows. I'm doing my magnetic shadows from my Z palettes, my compact single shadows that are all in my drawer, as well as my shadow sticks that I have. I have a few shadow sticks. So all of those, and you have to use all of them 5 times each before you can roll them out. Also doing this project is Melissa Nadaline. I will have her listed down below as well. She is who joined in and inspired me to join in as well and get some more use on my singles. I wasn't going to do a single shadow project this year because I worked so hard on my Imageddon series last year, 2024 into all of 2025, but this looks super fun and I'm ready to challenge myself and get some more use out of my singles because we're through the first quarter of the year and I think I've touched 2 of my actual like Z palette singles. I have used a couple of my shadow sticks and I've used a couple of my like single components, but like I'm not reaching for them like I should be reaching for them. So we're gonna roll 10 things in together. I think I have 99 shadows in my wheel. Let me look. Oh. Let me see. Yeah, we have 99 options. And that is also including like my loose shadows are in there, my liquid shadows, because those are my single components. Everything that's in my top drawer of my single components. So we have a lot of options here. So, ooh, that was resetting the wheel. So let's spin for our first option, which I have a lot of Give Me Glow, a lot of Pretties for Your Face. And I think those are the only 2 brands that I have like a vast majority of singles from. So our first one is Give Me Glow Skinny Dip. Give Me Glow Skinny Dip, which I think is like a nudie, like a brown. Copacetic Bowling Alley. I only have a couple copacetic shades left. Copacetic Cosmetics. But I love my like 6 copacetic shades I have left. Bowling Alley. Okay. ColourPop Frog. So that's our first single component, which is my only ColourPop Super Shock shade that I have left. Frog, which I love that shade. I love it so, so, so much. Ooh, another single component. Comet Couture is actually already in another project. I didn't take out any of my singles that were in other projects already because like I'll just re-roll. But Comet Couture is already in another project, so we will just re-roll and hopefully get another Wet n Wild shadow eventually. Give Me Glow Bubblegum. That is a matte bright pink that I actually really like to use as a blush. Bubblegum. Okay. Oh, one of my Cleona shades. I only have 3 Cleona shades and they're from the Dragon Fruit palette. So Cleona Infusion. I think that's my purple one. let's see, what are we gonna get? Give Me Glow Lavender Sky. Okay. Give Me Glow Lavender Sky. These are some huge shades, so I hope I have enough room in my Z palette for all these giant Give Me Glow shades. So that's a shadow stick, Ione Sweet. That is this one right here. So that one's not in a project. Ione Sweet. I had to remember because Sour is in a project still. Wet n Wild Starlight to Fever, my favorite one. Wet n Wild Starlight Fever. That will be very easy to get my 5 uses on. Charm Very Starry Sky. So that is specifically, oh, it's in my bucket because I had the shadow stick. So it's, let me get it. Let me get it. That is specifically the liquid side, because I listed the liquid and the shadow stick sides separately. Starry Sky. Because I figured if I listed these duos as a duo in my spreadsheet, that I would only use the shadow stick side, because I don't use the liquids anywhere near as much. So I wanted to list them separately so that I get use on them. So I think we have to roll in one more. Yeah, on the back side of my page. So our last shade is, that is already in a project. That was Ione Sour, which I said was already in a project. And that is already in a project. Give Me Glow Electric Unicorn. So many Give Me Glow shades, but that's actually one of my small ones. Give Me Glow Electric Unicorn. All right, I'm gonna go grab all of these shadows and I will come back and then I will show you, we'll swatch them and do all the fun things. So give me just a second. All right, I have all of them here. So this is what my Z palette looks like. We have 6 singles. Skinny Dip was actually a matte. I thought it was a shimmer. That works. And then we have 2 single components. And then we have 2, well, 1 shadow stick and then a liquid shadow. Nice variety. I'm pretty happy with that. So we're just going to go in the order that they rolled in. So Give Me Glow Skinny Dip is the matte brown, which is just a very nice warm brown. I think that'll be super easy to incorporate in looks. I don't see why I couldn't get 5 uses on that in a month. The mattes specifically. The shimmers, there's a lot of shimmer, but I don't have a lot of matte single shadows, to be honest, and all of my matte singles are Give Me Glow. Then we have Copacetic Bowling Alley, which my Copacetic shades are so flaky, but they are so pretty. So it's like gold to pink. Pinky purple. It would go beautiful with what I'm wearing today. They make beautiful inner corner shades. So that is a Bowling Alley. Then we had my ColourPop Frog, which you can see that dip there. She is so creamy. one of my favorites. So very similar, beautiful inner corner shade. I'm gonna try to challenge myself to not use all, because like I can't use all of these shimmers as inner corner shades or I'm not gonna get through them in the month. So I need to use some of these as like lid shades, but like this one I specifically love as an inner corner shade. So then we had Give Me Glow Bubblegum, which is the bright bubblegum pink. Like I said, I love using that one as a blush. And, you know, if I use it 5 times as a blush, I'm still going to count that as 5 times use. Because I'm still using it, regardless of how I use it. So we shall see. That might get used as a blush 5 times. Then we had Cleona Infusion, which I was right, is my purple shade. So there is Cleona Infusion. It's a beautiful shade. Again, would go great with what I'm wearing today. Beautiful purple. Then we had Give Me Glow Lavender Sky, which is also purple. I'm excited to see how these are different. Oh, that's, ooh, it's got more of a gold shift. And it's more, like this is more vibrantly purple. This is not, but I like it still. I love my Give Me Glow shades. That's why I have so many of them. Most of them were pulled from palettes. So there's Lavender Sky. Then we had Ione Sweet, which is this sparkly pink. Which I decluttered. So I had 3 of these. I had a brown that I decluttered. I have the white, which I only have 1 more use on, and I might declutter it. If I declutter it, I'll remove it from the wheel. And then I have this guy. I just don't think I like this shadow stick formula. That is the only rule of, if I want to declutter something, I'm not going to force myself to use it 5 times if I know I'm going to declutter it. But I need to use it more than once. I need to use it at least twice before I declutter it. That is going to be my little caveat rule, is I can't just use it once and be like, nope, we're decluttering it. Got to use it at least twice. Then we have Wet n Wild Starlight Fever, which, like, I have such a dip on this already. And it's a gold to a purple. We have a lot of pinky purple in this. Again, beautiful. Could go with what I was wearing today. I am so excited to get more use on this guy because I love it. Made me buy the whole collection of those Chameleon Chrome eyeshadows because I loved that shade so much. Then we have Starry Sky, which this is the Charm Very multi-purpose eyeshadow stick in the shade number 2. So it comes with an orange shadow stick on one side, which we're not using because that's not what got rolled in. What got rolled in was the liquid shadow, which this is a Starry Sky, which is beautiful. I just don't use liquid shadows that much. I just don't prefer them. They're not my medium. But that's it built up. And here is it like tapped out. It is gorgeous. I do really, really enjoy it. I just, liquid shadows aren't my medium. But I know I like that. I've used it before and I do really enjoy it. And last but certainly not least is Give Me Glow Electric Unicorn, which is a gold. It's got like every color of the rainbow, but I see green, blue. You guys are gonna see like a gold to yellow. It is just stunning. All of my Give Me Glow shades are just stunning. So this is going to live in my drawers, but I'm gonna hopefully, I wish I had a bigger Z palette that had a clear top, because I feel like I use this less when I can't see into it, but those bigger shades are not gonna fit in my smaller Z palette that has a clear top. Or maybe they will. I might mess around and see if I can get it to fit. But that is my color story. It's actually pretty cohesive, honestly, which is crazy. Out of my 99 shadows, we got a pretty cohesive color story for our first round of shadows. If you have not checked out all of those lovely ladies, Donna, Leanna, Andy, or Melissa, please go do so. They are all fabulous. I watch all of them and love all of them very, very much. So I highly recommend. I appreciate them letting anyone join in on this project. So I'm very, very excited and hope that I can have some rollouts for you for May. But that is going to do it for my intro to this project, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.